Hi, I'm Lisa Smith, and this is Casey, who's going to be my model. So to find the deltoid tuberosity, we're going to work our way down the spine of the scapula to the acromion. And then the most cranial point is the point of the shoulder, which is here. And just laterally in here, there's another bony part with the muscle attached, and that is the deltoid tuberosity. To palpate the spine of the scapula, we're going to start at this dorsal scapula here and feel for the bony ridge, which is here, and it goes all the way down the scapula. The acromion process is at the distal end of the spine of the scapula. It's this little round knob right here. So for wings of the ilium, they're on the dorsal side, just caudal to this lumbar spine. And it is this big bony protuberance here on the top. So the next thing is the greater trochanter of the femur, which is just caudal to the ilium and cranial to the ischium. And it is this big ball protuberance in the hip joint right here. So next is the patella, which is right at the stifle joint. We're going to start at the muscle of the quad, which is here, and move distally to the first bony landmark right here. Latissimus dorsi is the next thing that we'll be looking for. We're going to find the caudal scapula, and the latissimus dorsi runs from this caudal scapula across the ribs and thoracic and lumbar spine. We are now going to look for the biceps tendon at the elbow, which is the most medial to the biceps, and right here at the bend in this elbow. It is this big band of tissue that runs kind of right along here. Supraspinatus is found deep to the deltoid muscle. So I'm going to find the cranial scapula, which is right here. And just under this external deltoid deep is supraspinatus. So for middle gluteal, we're going to find the iliac crest right here, just caudal to the lumbar spine. And then just caudal to this iliac crest back here is middle gluteal. For biceps femoris, it starts at the ischium and runs from in this area down to the patella, the calcaneus, the lateral tibia here, and the tensor fasciae latae here. So it's basically this big band of muscle here. For cranial sartorius, it's the most cranial muscle here in the front of the leg. It's just caudal to this tensor fasciae latae, but it's this big band here.